A linear pattern is probably the most commonly used tool for duplicating features. As an example, we'll try it on a heatsink model. To start, go to the Features tab and click Linear Pattern. By default, the settings will appear on the left side of the screen in the Property Manager. On the top right corner of the Property Manager, we'll see a Help button, which gives quick instructions on how to use the tool. Also, if we hover our cursor over the linear pattern icon or name, we can show or hide the feature manager. This works with most features in SOLIDWORKS. Below the feature name, you'll notice the OK and Cancel buttons to confirm or cancel the operation. The same buttons are also available at the top right of the graphics area. Now let's create the pattern. First, we need to select what we want to duplicate: features, faces, or bodies. In this example, we'll select a feature. Then, select the portion of the model we want to duplicate. In this example, we'll choose this portion, which is named Boss Extrude 4. Once selected, the feature will appear in the list inside the Features column. If you select the wrong portion, don't worry. You don't need to cancel the whole operation. Simply right-click on the item in the list, then choose Clear Selections to remove all items, or Delete to remove just one. Another way to select what we want to duplicate is through the Feature Manager. Simply open the Feature Manager and click on Boss Extrude 4. Once selected, the preview will appear in yellow on the model, showing the shape of the feature. Now we need to set the direction for the pattern. In the Direction 1 box, select a linear reference as the pattern direction. This could be an edge, a face, or even a sketch line. Typically, edges are used, but anything that defines a straight path will work. For this example, I'll select this edge. The feature will then be duplicated along the X direction. On the left side of the pattern direction column, there's an icon to reverse direction. Click it to flip the pattern to the opposite side. Next, we set the spacing and the number of instances. These values can be entered either in the Property Manager or directly in the Direction 1 box in the Graphics area. For spacing, I'll enter 6 millimeters. This controls the distance between each copy. To see it more clearly, I'll switch to the front view. For number of instances, I'll set it to 18. This defines how many copies of the feature we want. All right, I'll return to the Dimetric view. The pattern already looks good. To finish the operation, simply click OK.